What's up guys? It's currently 6 AM and I gotta do something to my car. Alright guys, good morning. Hope you all are having an amazing day or night. I'm up early right now because I have to take something off my car because it's getting painted today and it's taken me a while to do it, but I'm finally doing it. I'm going to be taking off this rear trim piece today and I will be dropping it off to a painting shop and I will be getting it paint matched to match the 37J satin white pearl because I think it will look a lot cleaner and it won't stick out as much, and just think it will really flow with the rest of the car. So we're going to quickly do that. It's really easy to take off. Hopefully, he said it should be painted today, so that's why I'm dropping it off early if you're wondering. So let's get into it and get it off the car. Here's the Subi. I hope you guys think I should be doing this. I do like it, but at some angles like that, I feel like it sticks out too much, but from say that angle, it kind of blends in. I just think it will look a lot cleaner when it's all painted. So let's grab my little handy tripod right here. I'm so poor. Okay, so it's very simple. I watched like a minute video on it last night. You're just gonna pop your boot. Oh, and the leaf. Get your tools, and first we need to pop off the boot liner. Why are there so many clips? Got it. Let's go. That was a pain in the ass. So, the two bolts we want to take out is literally just that one, and I think they're 8mm, so should be easy. That is one. Oh, I nearly dropped it. There's the second one. You simply just need to shut the boot once you've done that, and then pry it off. There we go. After you have done that, we're going to take off the lamps. I think it's just 2 screws on each side and it should lift out. I've definitely scratched my paint. Okay, and there we go guys, the trim piece is finally free. Okay, if you don't want to be a donkey like me and scratch my paint, you can take out this that's hiding in here. So now that's free, you should be able to pull these out. So, okay, oh, there goes the other one. I just pulled it out.
That's what she said.
What you're gonna do is just kind of peel up that little rubber grommet. It comes out of this little hole here. Alright, and now she's off. Cleaning wipe. Oh, damn. She a bit filthy, eh? Oh, I can't believe I scratched my paint. Oh, I'm so dumb. Okay guys, this is what it looks like without the little trim piece. I'm so excited to finally get this paint matched. It's gonna look so much better. It is 6:53. I said I'll be there around 7 to 7:30. It's around an 18-minute drive, so I think it's time we get in the car and we head to the painters. Alright guys, we made it. Success. Big shout out to Meltham Motors. I thought it was going to take until like 4 o'clock today, but he said it should be done by lunchtime, so Super excited for that. We should be able to slap this on pretty early in the afternoon. I'm really excited to see the finished product as well. I really did like the chrome, but from some angles it just looked really weird and out of place. So I think the white's gonna look really clean and it's gonna make the rear end look a lot nicer. I can't wait to show you guys. It's gonna be so good. I can't wait to see it. He said it should be done by lunchtime, so I'm gonna go home and chill in bed for a bit because I woke up at like 5:45, and you can tell because I look pretty tired and my hair looks all over the place. Also guys, I've ordered some more mods for the Subi. One of them's already come, but the other two I ordered the other night and they should be here hopefully next week. It is an interior mod, and if you follow my Instagram right here, you would have seen that I posted about it on my story. So that's why if you want to go see behind the scenes and early content, go check out the Instagram. We're nearly at 5,000 followers, so thank you guys so much, and let's try and smash it. But I'm nearly home. I'll show you what I've got. I'm really keen to get them because my car's been needing it. My WRX needs it, and it's gonna look sick and make my interior look a whole lot better. It's gonna look so much better, guys. I'm so excited to see it white. Okay, let me quickly just unbox to you guys what I have coming up for a future video and a future mod. Now, I'm not gonna spoil it anymore. I have bought a boost gauge holder, and I've got a boost gauge and a water temp gauge on the way. Which is like coolant temp if you didn't know. It is a dual pod vent gauge, so it just replaces your OEM vent on the dash and fits in like that. How cool is that? So if my steering wheel will be here, and this will be chilling up in the top right corner for my right hand drive Subi. That's gonna look so cool. I haven't decided where I'll have boost, which one. Maybe the top one, I'll have to see. Got the pod holder, just waiting for the gauges in the mail, but they should be here hopefully next week. Okay, I guess we just wait until it's painted now. I haven't really got much else on. I'm just gonna chill, should be able to see it soon. I'll get back to you guys when I receive a text to come in and pick it up. Peace.
3 hours later.
Okay guys, a few hours has passed by. For you guys, it was probably a few seconds. I'm going to go pick up the trim piece. It is done painting. I'm making a quick detour because I gotta pay in cash, and I never carry cash on me, so I gotta go get some right now. Got the money. Also for my non-Australian viewers, this is what Australian money looks like. It's really cool. Let's go get this new piece. Okay, we got it guys. She's all painted. That looks so good. I'll give you guys a better look when I get home, but that looks awesome. I'm so excited to get it on the car. He held it up next to my car and it looks way cleaner than the silver before. So we're gonna go home now and we're gonna put it back on. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Shit, that looks so good. Okay guys, here's like a little sneak peek of what it's gonna look like. Oh, that looks so much better. Guys, I'm so excited to put this back on. So what we're firstly gonna do is we're gonna grab our trim piece before we put it on the car, and I'm gonna grab my little lenses that go over my license plate globes, and we're gonna install those back in the car first, because if you do it while that's on there, it'll be a lot trickier. Put one in there and just hand tighten them. Okay, that's one done, and we'll move on to the next one.
there we go. Both of the lights are back on, and now we just need to thread through the wire through back into here and through this little hole right here. There we go, clips back in. Now it's time to push this in. We've got our screws, they've gone in there, and we just need to get our little nuts. Nuts. Our nuts from earlier, and twist those bad boys on. There we go. And as you can see, there's a little gap there, so what we need to do is just push the little clips in like that, and she is all done. Wow. Did you guys like the silver more or the new pearl white? I think this really cleans it up. Big shout out to Owen at Meltham Motors. Go check them out. They have lots of good reviews, and I literally texted him yesterday asking if he could do this, and he said to come in today, early morning. So he hooked me up, got it done in a day, and it's all ready to go. So big shout out to him. Last thing to do is put the boot liner back on. That should be pretty easy. I'll just do this off camera and it'll be done in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. There we go, guys. She is all done. What do you guys think? I reckon this looks a lot cleaner, especially from this angle now, because before the silver used to be really dark and now it just looks super clean. So I'm really happy with it. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video. That's going to be it from me today. I hope this helped you guys in any way to decide if you want to make the change from the stock silver to a paint match, or if this just helped you in general on how to take off the piece. Thank you all so much for watching. You guys are the best. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe down below, and while you're down there hit the post notifications button, the little bell next to the subscribe button. More to come, much more content, boost gauge video coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And I have a few more mods planned. That's going to be it from me, guys. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day and night, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!